This video will go over how to complete the English 101 Unit 2 Research and Evaluating Sources worksheet. This is the capstone assignment for Unit 2, so follow along to get some information on how to complete each one of the elements of this assignment. So first of all, if you're in my English 101 course, you will find a copy of this worksheet in your shared Google Drive folder in the Unit 2 folder. If you're in a different section of the course and your instructor doesn't use Google Drive, you'll find this worksheet in the D2L course and you can download it from there. So in order to complete the assignment, you're going to be filling in the top part with your information, and then you're going to be completing an evaluation of a document based on these three options. So I'll be posting this in the course and you'll have access to it. And it gives you the instructions on how to find the article that you'll be using for this assignment. You'll be navigating into EBSCOhost using the Master File Premier database. You'll want to do a full text search, and you can use one of the keywords in the left-hand column in order to find your article. So you have a choice between searching vegetarianism, school uniforms, or college athletes. And once you've made that search, you'll be scrolling through the results to find the article title here in the right-hand column. You only need to choose one of these articles. You'll have three options, but you're going to be completing this assignment based on one of them. So choose which one you're interested in, follow the instructions to search for the article. Once you find the article, then you'll be completing the worksheet. As I said, there's a worksheet in the Unit 2 subfolder of your shared Google Drive folder, or you can download this document from the course. I am creating videos now to go over the worksheet and how to search in EBSCOhost, and these will be live links in the future. So you'll have access to this how to complete document to follow the instructions. Once you've done that, you'll move over to the actual worksheet itself and begin filling in the bibliographic information. Now, a couple of the items on this worksheet are a little tricky and maybe confusing, so I want to clarify a couple of things. First of all, the database and search engine that you're using for this is going to be EBSCOhost Master File Premier. All three of the articles that I'm giving you the option to use will be found in EBSCOhost and in the Master File Premier database. You'll just copy whichever keyword you use from this page into this box on the worksheet. This is a little bit confusing. It's saying to type the APA reference citation, but really what that means is to type the reference entry. So we've just covered APA formatting. I've posted some videos. There's some resources in the course. You should know how to complete an APA reference. So you're going to just type your reference right here in this box. You can use the indentation feature to create a hanging indent in a table. So please format your APA reference appropriately and make sure that things are italicized if they need to be italicized and that everything is formatted correctly. The APA parenthetical citation is going to just be a standard citation. What should that look like based on the source that you've chosen? And then the next one here is asking you to type a paraphrased sentence from the article with an APA parenthetical citation. I'm going to give you the option to either type a narrative citation or an embedded citation. This is an example of a narrative citation. This is an example of a parenthetical. I'll accept either one. You don't have to do both. Either one is fine. The next part of the worksheet is asking you to summarize the article. You've just completed an activity asking you to summarize an article that I've shared with you, so you should be familiar with how to do this. Just a couple of notes here. You are going to include an introductory sentence. You're going to include at least 3 major details developed into 2 or 3 sentences each, and then your conclusion of the summary should address how the author concludes the article. The length for this summary should be 1/2 to 3/4 of a page, and you absolutely do have to use both author attribution and embedded citations. So make sure that you're including those. The last part of the assignment is just an evaluation of the article using the CRAP test. You're going to be evaluating the article that you've chosen for currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose, and then you're going to be writing an overall evaluation. This should be a short paragraph, and I do want to caution you that you may find, based on your evaluation, that the article you've chosen is not a credible source to use for research. And if that's the case, you should be prepared in your evaluation to explain that the source has failed the CRAP test and why, and what that means for your research. So hopefully this helps you understand how to complete this assignment. Let me know if you have any other questions.